Hi there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you swap out the SSD drive on a pinball machine. Now this video is going to work for both of our models, for a 4K model or a 2-in-1 arcade and pinball combo. The layout's going to be very similar, and so your SSD drive might look black or silver, kind of like this, but as you can see, they have the same hookups over here on the top. Now the only tools you'll need for this installation is just the key that came with your machine. I'm going to set these down over here. And so the first step is that we're just going to open up this back door over here. It's the one that's behind the play field. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate your SSD drive. Now over here, this is the PC tower. This is going to be right underneath the play field over here. This computer, this is controlling everything in your pinball machine, and the SSD drive is going to be located underneath the power supply over here. And so as you can see, you're going to be able to reach in through the side panel over here. Now this one hasn't adhered yet, but typically we have some double-sided tape, you'll see right there, and it's going to be attached to the sidewall over here. I just put this one in so I didn't completely adhere it first, but you might have to pry it out of the side right there, but no worries, it's just two pieces of double-sided tape holding it down. Now once you have it out, you'll see the two top wires over here. You just want to disconnect them, and so you know there's no clips or anything like that. They're just plugged in like that, and so they come out just like that. And now let's just say this is the replacement SSD drive. We brought it over here, and it's going to be fairly simple. I'm just going to put this here so I can use both of my hands. But you got to make sure you put it in right. You'll have a little notch right over here, and so it'll only go in one way, right? So we connect that over the top. That's in all the way. Let me just grab the other one now. This one right here. Now this one's also going to be very similar. As you can see, it's got that little notch right over there to the side, and so you want to look over here. You want to look where the notch is over here. We're just going to line it up, and it's going to go right in just like that. All right, now at this point, it's complete. The new SSD drive is installed. You don't necessarily need to adhere it anywhere. We mainly just do it so that way it's not bouncing around while it's being shipped to you in the truck. So if anything, you can just leave it right there, or if you want it to, you can just adhere it right over here. But yeah, that's it. That is how you install a new SSD drive in your pinball machine. Now, like I said, this is going to work for both of our models. If you have the 2-in-1 arcade and pinball machine, it's going to work exactly the same. Your SSD drive is going to be located right over here in this panel. Right over here, you'll see this grate right there, and so you'll see it here to the wall right there. And so yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us directly and we'll help you out. Okay?